Is your Blink camera having issues recording at night? Well, don't worry, for I'll be detailing every step that you can take to ensure that your Blink cameras get their nocturnal abilities back. Welcome to Blink Blink. Let's get started. The first thing to check is if night vision settings are configured and set up for your Blink cameras. The Blink app on your phone has a separate setting to toggle night vision settings for your cameras, and it's set as auto by default. This means that your Blink cameras will automatically go into night mode when no light is detected. But if the auto mode doesn't work well for you, then you can manually set the night mode to be on always. You can do so by going into your camera settings from the homepage, tap on video and photo settings, and switching the night vision option from auto to on. But a thing to note is that this setting will always trigger the infrared LED to trigger on every time the camera detects motion, even if it's in broad daylight. This means that the footage that it records will always be in black and white. While we're at the video and photo settings, you can also configure the intensity of your IR. You can find the option for IR intensity in the same page under the night vision tab. Setting your Blink camera's IR intensity to high can ensure a brighter and clearer image at nights, but it also leads to higher battery drain. Now that we've configured the night vision settings, it's time to take a look at the motion settings as well. The Blink app offers plenty of useful features under motion settings, with the features relevant for us being motion sensitivity and motion zones. Since motion can be a bit harder to detect for your Blink cameras at night compared to broad daylight, you can increase the motion sensitivity of your camera a bit and check if that works for you. You can also check if you have set any gray zones under motion zone settings on areas where you want your camera to be on. You can configure your Blink cam's motion sensitivity and its motion zones by going to the Blink app on your phone and tapping on the camera settings. Then tap on motion settings and you will find both the settings listed below. Lastly, check if your network and connectivity are all well and functioning. Your Blink cameras require a strong and stable connection to communicate its recording status with the Blink app. This is done by your Blink Sync module, so ensure that it's working optimally. If you're facing issues connecting with or to your internet, contact your internet service provider for help. As for your Sync module status, make sure that both the green and blue LEDs are lit constantly. You can also check the signal strength of your Sync module with your Blink camera by going into the Blink app and tapping on the Sync module option on your home screen. You will now notice a signal icon on top. If this signal icon is blue, then your connectivity is very strong, but if it's yellow or red, you might need to move your Sync module closer to your camera or your internet router. That's pretty much it. Make sure the night vision settings for your camera and its IR intensity are configured. Increase the motion sensitivity of your Blink cameras for quick detections at night, and check your network and Sync module status. If this video has helped you fix your Blink cameras not recording at night, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Blink related content.